Oh my gosh, we gotta get everything figured out because we're terrible at this. I just spent like 20 minutes trying to find an SD card. Now I remembered, I got a drone. I picked up this drone from a good friend of mine, one of my best friends in fact, Samuel. What's up, Samuel? Give a like if you're watching. Anyway, got a drone off him, and I remember when I got that drone off him that he so graciously donated, it had an SD card because Alan took all the SD cards last time he was over. So, anyway, spent 20 minutes leaving an SD card. We're terrible at everything. Filming, being prepared. I'm just so unprepared. But anyway, jumping in this video. We're trying to make turkey drag, guys. So, I'm just gonna dive into this. Look what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so, I don't have any spare Miata wheels and tires, and I need these to go on here for now because Alex needs his tires back, and quite frankly I just bought some new tires for these. And I know what you're saying, what you're thinking is, why can't you just put the tires on, leave them on jack stands and come back? You'll see. I might have to wall this wheel out, so just I'll pick back up in a second. We'll see what's going on. This battery's about to die anyway. Rookies, amateur hour all the time. So that's obviously not mounted. That is. It took some drilling and some fabrication. Let me get this out of the way. But look at that boy. So yeah, these are not meant to go down the road. I'm just putting these on here so I can get these off. Gotta take these off, put tires that are in the back of the truck over there on those wheels, like I said earlier. I went and got the tires. Eleanor, get over here, baby. And in the meantime, these gotta sit on there. And on top of all of that, we've got to put the lift on there. And we got a wagon we gotta finish. And we're just about done with the Power Wheels, her little Power Wheels, so she'll be out there pimping too. So we got a lot to do. Oh man, so we are into Wednesday evening. What did I get accomplished today? I think I got I figured out the battery issue for the Miata. I got tires to go on the wheels in the back of the truck back there. But now I'm over at Aaron's shop, and this is what we got going on. We're pimping wagons now.
We're doing all.
This is how close I am to losing my shit. And this we gotta finish up too. Yeah, we put whips on there. We put speakers on here all last night. So now she's highline pimping too. And ain't even been at the highline. But so that's where we're at. We are freaking crunch time right now. Let's see if we can get done on the steering, I guess. Okay, here goes our maiden voyage. That's done. That's as good as it's gonna get. Aaron did a bang up job on it. It's just, there's a whole kit to get these like looking good, and we were like, oh fuck it, we'll just do what we want. So
with just random bits and pieces laying around.
Yeah, well,
so it literally cost us $0.
It's true. We even got the wagon free, so we're out nothing but time. Hey, you see me filming here, little homie? Okay, you win. All right, let's see what she does. We got 2 batteries in there to mimic our children's weight. 2 right in there, and that's to mimic Cora's weight. Not the results that we wanted. Kinda. I mean, at least we know it'll do it on paved ground. And that's what it is out there at Turkey Drag, so.
It started to do it on the rocks.
It started to.
Yeah.
We'll get it charged up, but tomorrow
We'll test it again.
Tomorrow's where the real fun starts.
Oh, Lord.
The infamous side. Tomorrow we get going on the Miatas again. Round 2. Fight! We got to working. It's just it's a pain in the ass trying to freaking work on this because we're working in the grass for one. So we're over here in the grass. I'm trying to be a good father to little teeny weenie over here and keep an eye on her and make sure she doesn't get hurt and get in the way. And between dealing with that and this car irritating me, I was like, we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait till her mama gets here. We're gonna get her back in. Alan said he's on his way, so come on. Alan said he's on his way. Her mama said she's on her way. She just got off work. And thank goodness. Maybe we can actually get some stuff done tonight. I really hope so. Yes.
Hey, bud.
I can't even see, like all I can see is that. Okay, there's the camera. I filmed a little bit.
Are you switching over the shocks and everything too?
Yeah. Okay, you need to come more from down here instead of where you're at, because you're underneath the shock, so you're just gonna decompress that as compared out here, which will push that angled in. So go ahead and let that down.
There you go. Right there?
No.
No? Further?
How'd you get that under there?
I went out and then swung the
We literally need this plate to be sitting on the. We can try it there. That tells me that's what's going on, because this distance is so large that this isn't compressing in.
Wait just for a second.
So I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to use that freaking other spring. Now,
Well, let's try this. Is the other side, did you swap the other side over? Yeah, I was
No.
gonna say, get a brick and put it underneath the arm. So we can squeeze it underneath the
Move the jet.
rotor.
Oh, my bright ideas tonight.
I like how you say that as you have a flashlight. Right, I see what you did there.
I didn't
Okay.
mean that.
okay, bring it in. Okay, right there. I'm willing to bet you that's what it's gotta be though.
Nah. Nah. Golden! Golden pony boy!
Bang.
Hey, what time is it?
11 on the dot.
Anything else?
I thought you were like legitimately asking.
I mean, I am legitimately asking.
Yeah, well, that's true. You got me there. Can you get that light right there? For the truck. It's 11 o'clock. We got, I don't know what.
3/4 of the job done?
That's 3/4 of it there. We gotta get a shock end over here. Put this one over here.
Man, I can hear it in your slurred voice. You're sleep drunk.
Open what?
The trunk? Oh.
Yeah, I'm exhausted personally. I did say I was, last night when I was on the phone with you that I was gonna shoot for 11:30, and I made it exactly to that point. I'm exhausted, but tomorrow I'll pick back up. I'll just shoot with my camera tomorrow, so we'll pick back up with just probably us. Come hell or high water, we are fucking shooting for turkey day. Alright guys, so I'm trying to get down low, one, so you can see with the sunlight, and two, try to get y'all out of the wind. Quick update, last night we left off, obviously not putting that in, the shock. Now it's in, everything is done here, I just gotta tighten the top mounts. But I just wanted to show you guys that I'm picking up where we left off. Alright, so it literally is getting dark now. Man, from about noon till now is how long I've been going today. But phone's about to die, so I was gonna flip you guys around real quick. I don't know if y'all can really see that too well. Again, I'm filming from my phone, so sorry. But yeah, this sucker is it's lifted, man. I'm about 6 foot. Oh man, and you're not gonna be able to see it with no light. It comes roughly up just below my knee. So, man, I'll get some better shots later on, but there she is, all done. It's been an ass whooping, and it's because it's really because we've been having to take from parts, you know, take parts off this one and switch it to this one, and we're lowering a car as we're lifting one. So if you think about it, we've done 2 projects at one sitting. So, golly. But yeah, there it is. All finished. Like I said, just stick around. Probably next video we'll get some shots during the day. Check our Instagram out. We'll definitely be getting pictures up there. Facebook at both those are, you know, TXMD _ chop shop. Well, actually, that's the Insta. The Facebook is just TXMD chop shop. Chop shop's all one word on both. But yeah, check us out, Instagram, Facebook, for some photos coming up on this thing. Golly, what do we need to do with the blue one, guys? Let us know. Put in the comments. Go comment on our Facebook. Go comment on pictures if you see these things on our Insta. Tell us what you think we should do with the blue one. It's already lowered, so go fast. Show out to Miata. I mean, I know it's Miata, but you know what? Don't hate on these little guys until you get behind the wheel, because they are rip-roaring fun. Anyway, thanks for watching this. Hey, hope to see y'all next video. Come back and see me. See us. Yeah. Bye-bye.